100% here. So I'm in Lohi area. I'm gonna try a Korean restaurant. This time it'll be the BBQ grill. So it's right on Lohi Highway and North Road, Insadong. So had lunch here before. It was pretty good. So I'm gonna try the dinner. See how it is. All right, let's go. If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up, like, and ring the bell. Smash the subscribe button so you won't miss any exciting and wonderful future videos. There. So I just sat down. So I'm gonna order the combo for 4. Now it is a very busy restaurant, right? We have to wait for 20 minutes. Didn't have a reservation, but I thought it was busy. So anyway, so our grill's here already. So we're ready to see what they're gonna give us. Some appetizer. Again, it's refillable, all Korean restaurant, unlimited. You can eat as much as you want. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I got lots of type of beef here. I'm not sure what it is. This beef, chicken, more beef, pork chop. I think more pork chop cut. I'm not sure. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five different type of meat here. So much stuff here. This is the soup. This is the soup that was boiling and just came out, so should taste good. Tofu spicy soup right here. Looks very spicy and temperature hot. You can see everything's still bubbling in the water, so the soup. Try the tofu. Oh, the flavor. It's a little bit different. It's supposed to be a vegetarian soup, so I don't think it's vegetarian soup. I think I taste some kind of beef broth in here, or a meat broth. Cabbage, it's okay. You can taste the spiciness, the hot sauce in here. So it's okay. It's not a bad soup. It tastes better, but it's okay. So it's spicy. It is spicy. So okay, it's good. I just found out the soup has seafood in there. It has shrimp, has squid, So if someone's allergic to seafood, like I am a little bit, just be careful. Make sure your soup doesn't have seafood in there. I thought I tasted some shrimp or squid flavor, but until I really scooped down to it, I tasted it and I found squid in there and shrimp. So just be careful, alright? And everything's just smoking on the grill. Smoking on the grill. See how it is. The restaurant's packed. It's like everywhere. It's so noisy, but I got this mic here, so hopefully you can hear me. So the ventilation is not that good. I'm smoking up like crazy. Okay, let's try some of the side dish here. This is kimchi. I love kimchi. Everything I eat almost has kimchi in it. I bought it from Costco. The kimchi here is a little bit different. The flavor, I guess it takes a while, a few days to let it marinate the spicy and the hotness. But I think because they sell so much kimchi here, it just tastes like just finished made it. So it could be a more better flavor to it, but it just tastes like watered down. So okay. So I got this salad here now. The dressing I think is apple cider greens dressing. So kind of orangey stuff. So I've never had this before. We'll see. Sweet. Vinegar. A lot of vinegar in here. So a little bit different. Okay, so I'm gonna this lettuce here or Roman lettuce. We're supposed to put some meat on the lettuce and some salt and some beef marinade sauce. Put it here. You wrap it up like a lettuce wrap, like Peking duck lettuce wrap. Spread it. Very popular in Korea to wrap meat in romaine lettuce or lettuce, whatever. Okay. Just lettuce wrap in meat. This is potato. I think it's potato. See how it tastes. Potato. That's okay. Flavor is a little bit different. A lot of sauce to it. Seasoning. Potato. Okay, so I'm gonna try this rib finger meat here. Beef rib finger. So my rib finger, beef finger, is that right? A little chewy. Actually, the finger is very chewy. Okay, something different. That's all I can say. Beans, bro. I don't know what you're gonna say about beans, bro. There's really nothing to say about beans, bro. It's like potato. Beans, bro. It's beans, bro. I'm trying to just a regular beef here, so so a little bit of soy sauce, a little bit of that beef meat-ish thing. It's just straight beef. I don't know what grade it is, but we'll see. Oh, this beef is different from the beef finger. I'll tell you this for sure. A little bit sweet. Maybe it's the sauce, but it just fell apart in my mouth. So it's a good quality beef. So very good quality beef. It just rip apart without any effort. So the quality of the meat is very important. So just fell apart in my mouth when I put it in my mouth. No effort to it. So. Wow. Spicy cucumber marinated. That's how it is. Now this tastes good. I like this. So I got a piece of short rib here. Lots of bone here, but let's see how it is. It's okay. There's a lot of vein or something, but the meat's okay. But if you eat closer to the bone, it's typical for short rib. I guess a lot of tendon or vein, but it's okay. Okay, I'm gonna try this rice here. Pretty good. It's not your typical rice. It's a Korean authentic rice. It's not your Jasmine's rice. It's enjoyable rice. Very light, fluffy. Kimchi in here. It's awesome. Rice, kimchi. I can go for that. Okay, I'm gonna try the chicken here. So dip some meat sauce. Chicken tastes good, soft. It's okay. So tried everything here. My over opinions, it's okay. I think I ate many other places of Korean barbecue. This place is okay. The beef is good. But my experience here, some stuff are tough. It's okay. Soup is okay. Salad was okay. Rice is good. I love the rice too. Super busy here. I mean, I asked for another round of the appetizer. Waiting for a long time, 10 minutes. Nobody came. I asked to change the grill. The grill would change, but our fire was off. The guy went away. We got to come and light up the grill. So they're super busy. I understand. It's Saturday night, so there's not enough vegetable. Other place I went to has more vegetable for us to grill. I mean, there's really nothing. There's vegetable. It's not expensive. Just give a little more to the customer. So, soup was okay. Orange salad was okay. So, a little bit different. lunch was good, but dinner is a whole different experience. So overall experience, I don't know, maybe 7. All right, but you judge for yourself. That's my opinion. Everybody has different opinions. So all right, until we eat again. I hope you enjoy the video. Until we eat again, be peaceful, stay healthy, and share the love.